How the Dam It Dam's Cofferdam process works. Step 1. The rolled up dam is delivered to the job site on a truck or trailer. Step 2. The dam is lifted from the trailer and placed at the shoreline. Step 3. 2 identical pumps are hooked up to fill the internal tubes with on-site water. Step 4. As the pumps fill the dam unrolls and is guided into place. Step 5. The dam is nearly fully inflated as it reaches the opposite shore. Step 6. The water is pumped from the dry side to the wet side of the dam. Step 7. The work for the project at hand can now get done on the dry side. Step 8. Empty the dam, roll it up, put it on the trailer, and move it to the next job. Contact us today to order your Dam It Dams. 248-755-7383. www.damitdams.com